I'm out here with the Spry at the Ohio River. So I came up early today because the water seemed kind of calm in the morning. So let me start some video. Okay, that's recording. Let me arm the motors and take off. Not sure about the satellites we got yet. I just actually want to go out there and dunk it in the damn river. I already did the compass calibration and all that crap. Not really sure where it tells you how many satellites you got, but it does say GPS mode. Well, it made it into the water. I'm trying to get that sucker right above the water. Right above the water shot there is what I'm trying to get. I've only flown this thing one time. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. I'm still working out the bugs. Okay, that worked out pretty cool. Okay, let me bring it over here and see what it looks like when I just dunk it in the water, what the camera can see in this river. Notice the steering on it just does seem to be a little bit on the mushy side. Kind of hard to describe it. Okay, I got the camera pointed down. I don't know if it can see anything, to be honest with you. That water looks pretty cloudy. Okay, I'm going to turn off the GPS for a second. No, I'm going to do one of them, see what that circle flight here, bring it out here a little bit. Okay, so, ooh, I like how that's putting that ripple in the water as it's doing this circle flight. That's pretty cool. Now I want to see if I can expand the radius any. As a matter of fact, it's going lower and lower. Yeah, you can expand the radius just by going out on a stick. See, you can watch all the videos you want on this thing, but you got to get out here and experience it for yourself, you know. You got to get out here and play with it yourself to get the full feel of it. You know, all the videos in the world are not going to give you the deal of messing with it yourself. Let me go out a little bit more on the radius. I'm just trying to get that along the water shot there. I think the video looks nice on the screen. So that low water shot looks pretty cool to me. Okay, so I'm gonna pop it back into the GPS mode, so that'll stop that. And now I want to see how it acts with the ADI mode. I'll put that on, see how much drifting it does. Okay, like I said, it flies, it's a little, the sticks feel a little mushy to me. You just got, this one of them things you got to get used to, that's all. Alright, so I just wanted to fly it around here a little bit and check it out, see how it acted. More practice to come, more practice to come. Let me get off the beach and make sure I'm watching that thing. Let me cut the video. Okay, you go down and in to stop the motors, because you know that when you land on this thing, the motors don't stop. Because if you're in the water and you drop it in the water, if you drop it in the water, you don't want it to kill the motor. So the motors will stay on when you're in the water. And even on land, when you land it, the motors will just stay running. You have to kill the motors yourself by just going down and in. So that's how that works. All right, guys, there's a nice kayak right there. Wow. But he's out in the sun and I'm staying in the shade, and that's why I parked right here under these trees. I learned my lesson once coming up here. I parked over there in the sun and boiled. Okay. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later, man. Have a nice day.